This telescope tells you where to look? Celestron StarSense 150mm review. No skills needed. Ever tried stargazing and ended up rage quitting because nothing looked like it did in the app? You're not alone. Most beginner telescopes either confuse you into oblivion or leave you cross-eyed trying to find Jupiter. You waste hours trying to align, adjust, calibrate, and by the time you think you've found something, the moment's gone. It's frustrating, demotivating, and let's be honest, kind of a buzzkill. You wanted to explore the cosmos, not wrestle with optical chaos and clunky controls. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or totally lost with traditional telescopes, it's time to flip the script. Let's get real. In a world of 8-second attention spans, who's got time to decode constellations like it's 400 BC? You're juggling deadlines, stress, and a million tabs open in your brain, and now you're expected to align polar axes? Missed meteor showers, foggy nights, inaccurate apps. It adds up. Stargazing starts to feel like a test you never studied for. And when your kid asks, "Where's Saturn?" and all you see is stars? You feel like a fraud. This isn't just a hobby that's hard, it's a soul-crushing series of cosmic letdowns. Until now. Enter the Celestron StarSense Explorer 150mm Tabletop Dobsonian, the smartphone-powered telescope that literally shows you where to look. Just dock your phone, launch the app, and follow the arrows like you're playing real-life cosmic GPS. It uses patented sky recognition tech, like satellites, to guide you straight to Saturn, nebulae, and more. This isn't guesswork, it's precision stargazing, even for total newbies. No motors, no wires, no stress, just you, your phone, and the stars. It's like giving your eyeballs a first-class ticket to the universe. Oh, and no Wi-Fi? No problem. It works offline too. The 150mm reflector serves up crispy, high-def views of the moon, Jupiter's moons, and galaxies that'll give you chills. Lightweight, compact, and kid-friendly, this telescope turns "I don't know what I'm doing" into "OMG, I just found the Orion Nebula." Whether you're in a light-polluted city or camping under dark skies, the StarSense app handpicks tonight's best views based on your exact location. Sounds like magic? It kind of is. So if you're ready to stop searching and start seeing, click the link below and let the cosmos come to you. Don't sleep on it. Thousands have already ditched their dusty old telescopes for this smartphone-guided genius, and the reviews? Sky high. Celestron's been trusted since 1960, and their warranty plus US-based support make this a no-risk cosmic upgrade. Stock sells fast, especially around holidays, so if you've ever wanted to feel like a space explorer without the PhD, or the pain, this is your shot. Don't wait till Mars is gone again. Smash that link, grab yours, and let the universe literally point the way. You've got planets to catch. Let's go.